All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your attention. How are you doing? I hope all is well with you. Please, if you come across this video, I expect you to like it. Yes, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. Let us know what you think about what we're about to discuss. As you can see on the title, it is non-official. Nnamdi Kanu have dissolved IPOB DOS, the DOS, all right, not IPOB. So he has dissolved it and fired Chika, Edoziem. We need to understand something. We know how the whole thing started. I'm not here to run the history, for you. I'm not here to talk about everything, but I'm going to say just a few things, before we go to the news in detail. These are the people. DOS is the reason why our land is being threatened, even though individually our people are trying. But the truth of the matter is that all this cabal and favoritism politics being played in freedom movement, it all started from DOS. PM is where he is today. DOS. These people, this group of fools, decided to challenge Mazi Kanu and challenge genuine Biafrans at all cost. I don't see them as my enemy, but the truth we have to say the truth. Yeah, we have to say the truth because we knew how they fought PM Samanekba, and after fighting PM, why disobeying Mazi Kanu? The thing has actually metaphors from there, from PM to Mazi Kanu officially, and as God may have it, Mazi Kanu is not a pushover. So he's now fighting back and he has done what I expected him to do. This back and forward needs to stop. That's what I want you to understand. So please do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel. The news is not hidden. It's been making a wave on social media this evening, this afternoon, depending on your time zone. So as you can see here, 24/7 you reports has it that Biafran shakeup. Nnamdi Kanu dissolves IPOB directorate, fires Edoziem over prisoner neglect and corruption. So prisoner neglect and corruption. That this is Biafrans in the prison, in different prisons in Nigeria. So this news was actually broke out, from Aloy Ejimakor's handle on X. So he says something about it. And that is why we are going to, of course, do justice to that. So as you can see on the screen, this is from Aloy Ejimakor. He dropped this, bombshell, and people are running helter-skelter. Biafran shakeup. Nnamdi Kanu dissolves IPOB directorate, fires Edoziem over prisoner neglect and corruption. From 24/7 Europe, reports. In a stunning and far-reaching organizational purge, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has announced the immediate dissolution of the third administration of the Directorate of State, DOS. The sweeping clearance saw the high-profile removal of Chika, Edoziem, who has headed the administrative arm from Sweden. He has headed the administrative arms from Sweden since March 2017. That's quite long, but it's okay. In a press statement released from Germany, Kanu directly inaugurates the fourth administration of the DOS, naming United States-based Mazi Chris Nwogu as the new head of the directorate, as to assume absolute day-to-day coordination of the secessionist movement's global affairs. So the person that's going to continue to assume the office by controlling or directing affairs of the current IDUS, the day-to-day activities. His name is Mazi Chris Nwalgo. So that is the person that is going to take over or has taken over, though. The statement revealed that Kanu's decision to crush the third administration followed a damning review of his stewardship. The ongoing leadership faced heavy condemnation for his abandonment of hundreds of IPOB members detained without trial across Nigeria. Most notably, those languishing at the Wawa military barracks in Niger State. Nigeria government is very, very crazy. So they capture people in the east and drag them to Niger State. According to the movement, detained members suffered horrific hardship, with several dying in custody due to lack of legal and financial support from the US. But they are buying generator and paying for bride price of their member. The leadership further alleged that survivors were left with no option but to accept unfavorable conditions to regain their freedom, describing the negligences as a profound and unpardonable direction of duty. Unpardonable dereliction of duty. Okay. Dereliction of duty. Okay. The statement further knocked the dissolved executive team for diverting organizational energy and vast financial resources away from diplomacy and legal battles into toxic internal rivalries, gossip, blackmail, and factional ego wars. Kanu noted that these internal distractions severely weakened the group's cohesion and heavily damaged public confidence, honestly. Furthermore, the outgoing administration was accused of failing to protect strategic communications channels, allowing key platforms to become compromised by hostile actors who manipulated narratives to sow division among global supporters. The newly made fourth administration has been strictly mandated to restore financial accountability, rebuild internal discipline, and aggressively prioritize prisoner welfare. The newly structured global leadership cabinet under Mazi Chris Nwalgo includes Mazi Solomon Ebo, deputy head of the head of Directors of State, Wada Ogunnaya, okay, head of finance and budget planning, Mazi Chigozie Okenta, coordinator of coordinators, COC, Dr. Chukwudi Nwogo, head of medical and welfare planning, okay. Barrister Ike Chukwunoha, head of media. Okay. Comrade Mapoafo, okay. Integrated, okay. Retained as a spokesperson, media and publicity secretary. The shake-up also featured the direct appointment of continental representative across North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, alongside dedicated diplomatic representative to the United States, United Kingdom, and Israel to jumpstart a complete organizational renewal. Okay, look at there's a picture and all that. So this is part of the, I believe that this report I believe it did not end here, but this is the one they dish out for Biafra to see. Then citizen observer did not hesitate to put out his own grievances because came and came cause, right? So they have already, decided to talk. Let's see what he said here. This is one of the US, faithless propagandist of social media, a man that they created this guy for PM Samanekpa. So he's now using this energy, the same energy on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as well. These are people recruited, to defend the criminality of these people. Said Biafrans should expect expose of should expect the expose of heinous crimes of Nnamdi Kanu in the coming days, weeks, and months. The DOS will expose the cold-blooded conman and a mass murderer of Ndibo, Nnamdi Kanu, how he is been exploiting our collective anxieties to gain popularity and defraud us. For more than 5 years, the DOS and hardcore Ipob members all over the world were busy taking bullets for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Unknown to us, criminal psychopath Nnamdi Kanu was the monster behind the trigger. But the criminal Kanu's cartel has met its Waterloo while we restore Biafra. Many of us join Ipob to restore Biafra. That is all we want. Unknown to us, criminal psychopath Nnamdi Kanu set out to use Biafran agitation as a organized scheme to build his family dynasty, but the blood of the innocent has turned against him. With DOS, we shall restore Biafra. Chuku Oreako. You guys, before you put your name, you must make sure that you introduce yourself. Nobody knows this nonsense name here. Nobody knows this person. Why? You don't need to put. You should just put one of the era, something like that. You don't need to put any name. Your name is inconsequential, and nobody know who you are. Then, since Observer said again, Oyendu Mazi Chidi Mazi Chika Dibia Edoziem. It is not Oyendu. Olosabo, one of the most difficult jobs to do. Olosabo, I have to do it. Please let me know what you think about this nonsense thing that you guys are saying here. This is part of it, and I know I just want to share it with you. Believe you me, more is on the way. A lot of things are going to unfold. So we are here to bring it to you and to relate it with you if you can give us your ear. And please do comment. Let me know what you think about this breaking news. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.